If you're looking for a very simple, very low prep vocabulary review activity, this one might be it. It's called flip chart. So you could have a chart or a notebook or even just pieces of A4 paper and write up a bunch of the target vocabulary that you want to review. Then I divide the class into two teams, and one person from the first team comes and sits on a chair at the front of the class. They're facing their classmates, and then I stand behind that person with the flip chart with the words on it. I hold up the first word so that their teammates can see it, and then their teammates have to describe that word to the person sitting in the chair, and that person has to guess what the word is. So you can do it in a couple different ways. Sometimes I like to do like rounds of 1 minute, and then they'll try to get as many words as possible in that 1 minute. Or sometimes I use a timer, and then I time how long it took that team to describe that word to that person. Do a few different rounds, and then the winner is the team with the most points at the end of the rounds. Okay, so that is it. That is a very, very simple vocabulary review activity called flip chart. If you want some more ideas, be sure to check out my book, 101 ESL Activities for Adults. I'll put the link up there. And please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and tell me how you like to review vocabulary with your students. Okay, bye everybody.